Welcome back to DONSLIFE. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining today. We moved the vehicles around so we can do an upgrade on the GMC Sierra AT4. Now, when it comes to incandescent bulbs and upgrading to LED, there's not much you can do on the GMC Sierra AT4, but let's get into it. So our friends over at Oxido have sent over these bulbs for me to review for you today. We're going to do that by replacing the license plate bulbs right here. We're going to try and make it as scientific as possible by leaving an original one in, measuring it with an app that we have on the phone for its light output. Then we're going to experiment with one of these bulbs, replacing that one there, and we're going to measure it with that app on the phone and see what its output is, and then we're going to compare them. But we'll also do a visual comparison. We'll close the garage door, we'll shut off some more of these lights just to bring the light down a little bit, and then we'll see if there's a noticeable difference just looking at them, and then we will reach our verdict. So let's go. Does nothing last anymore? That one's out too. I swear, nothing lasts more than a year or two these days. I think I'll have to do a garage lighting upgrade. So let me show you the back of the package, what it says here before we take these out. 12 to 24 volt LED chip right there, available in white, amber, red, and blue. Fit socket 168, 194, 2825, T10, W5W, etc. You can buy them as a 6-pack, a 4-pack. It tells you what type of lights you'll probably be using them for. So we are going to look at doing another video where I replace the interior lights, at least the ones that I can, in my BMW M4, so that'll be in the future. Let's figure out how to get one of these out so we can replace the bulb and begin our testing.
Yeah. Come here. He's bugging everybody. Hey, he's bugging everybody.
So sometimes that happens. You have fans coming to visit. So you're gonna have to slide in underneath and reach these from in behind. Okay, so your bulb is right up there. I'm sure you can see that. And you should be able to reach in. Do my best to record. I've already twisted it off a little because it's hard, but you just twist it to the left like that and then pull that out to get access. So there is our bulb right there. Pull the bulb out like that. We got our new bulb. You just want to line it up properly and push it in tight like that. Now you want to get it back in the right spot, and then you'll have to twist it in. There, she's twisted in. Nice and tight. We're just gonna cover up our ambient light sensor here. That way when we go to hit the unlock button, the light bulb should be illuminated. Okay, moment of truth. We're gonna hit unlock and check out the upgraded bulb. So there we go. That looks pretty good actually. White LED. Over here that one doesn't look healthy. Maybe it's sick, maybe it's got COVID. You know, COVID's going around still. So joking aside, we're going to grab a phone with an app on it that reads light output. We'll test it on the sickly looking one or the old incandescent bulb. We'll test it with the upgrade, and then we'll do a comparison. So let's grab that device. All right, we got this free app here. It's only used on a trial basis. It's not gonna last very long before you have to start paying some money. We're gonna be cheap and not have to pay that money. So all I have to do is bring this camera up to the light source, and it's gonna give us a reading. We want to see the peak reading. So we're going to turn this on here. And we're going to bring it right up inside. I'm screen recording too so you can see. I'm moving around a bit just in case it picks up more light at one angle over another. There we go, it just jumped up. And we've got 3800. Okay, we're going to do this side now. And we are going to line it up with the camera. Oh my gosh, off the scale. We are at 79,000 peak. Just to make sure we're doing this fair, we'll do a couple readings. So we are gonna look at this side again. Yeah, we got 6200 this time. Now we'll do the other side. Let's reset it. Ooh. 76,000. I don't know how accurate this thing is, but one is a lot brighter than the other. Okay, I'm gonna bring the truck in a little further, put the garage door down, turn all these lights off. It won't be very dark in here, but it'll be a little bit darker, and we'll do a visual comparison. Okay, so we'll do a comparison here. Oh yeah, night and day. And you can tell that one belongs because of all the white lights that we have on this truck. Everything is a white LED. So just makes more sense to have them upgraded to that guy there. So I'll change the other one out and then we'll wrap this up. Well, my friends, I think we did our job. It looks much better. The verdict is I would definitely recommend getting a set. I'll leave a link in the description below for these Oxydo lights. You don't have to get a 10-pack, you can get less than that. I actually have extra here, so we're going to do a video similar to this one on the Escalade, the brand new 2022 Escalade that we have. And then these can also be used for a bunch of different interior lights, which we will do for the BMW M4. It'll have its own video because some of you want to know the actual install procedures, which is why this video was dedicated to this truck for this amount of time. And some people want to see those comparisons, so stay tuned for those. But if you like today's video, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing, and we'll talk to you next time. Oxydo, they are the one